What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to review Storyas Traffic Booster. Storyas Traffic Booster is an AI-driven advertising solution designed to significantly enhance e-commerce sales. By leveraging advanced technology and real-time optimization, it targets potential customers across various platforms, including Google and social media. Users can experience substantial sales growth while efficiently managing their advertising campaigns through an intuitive dashboard. Now, let's talk about some of its key features. Targeted advertising. Storyas Traffic Booster utilizes various targeted advertising methods, including Google Shopping and dynamic marketing ads. These strategies ensure that visual ads reach customers actively searching for products, allowing businesses to pay only relevant traffic. By showcasing previously viewed items, this approach effectively re-engages potential buyers, increasing conversion rates and driving sales. Intelligent automation. The platform leverages machine learning to optimize advertising campaigns continuously. By analyzing vast amounts of data, the system identifies trends and consumer behaviors, enabling it to adjust campaigns in real time. This intelligent automation not only improves ad performance but also saves time for merchants, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their business while maximizing ROI. User-friendly interface. The simplified dashboard offers an intuitive interface that presents critical advertising metrics at a glance. Users can easily track performance indicators such as visitors, orders, and revenue across multiple channels. This streamlined access to data empowers merchants to make informed decisions quickly, facilitating efficient campaign management and strategic adjustments based on real-time insights. Strategic partnerships. By partnering with the best, Storia ensures that users benefit from collaborations with leading advertising platforms like Google and Facebook. These partnerships enhance the effectiveness of ad campaigns through advanced targeting options and extensive reach. Leveraging established networks allows businesses to connect with a broader audience, ultimately driving more traffic and increased sales opportunities. When it comes to pricing, Traffic Booster from Storia offers it in two categories, SMB and Enterprise. For SMB, you can get the basic plan at $120 per month. Standard plan comes in at $335 per month, and the Pro plan comes in at $1,000 per month, and this includes Facebook ads. For Enterprise, you can get the Elite plan for $5,000 per month, you can get the Premium plan for $12,000 per month, and the Platinum plan for $20 per month, and this includes competitors' market share. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of Storyas Traffic Booster is the limited control users have over their advertising campaigns. Clients often report feeling disconnected from the process as they cannot see specific bidding strategies or targeted keywords. This lack of transparency may lead to frustration, particularly for those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their marketing efforts. Another concern is the variable results experienced by different users. While some report impressive returns on ad spend, others have faced disappointing outcomes such as low conversion rates or minimal traffic. This inconsistency can be problematic for businesses relying on predictable performance, making it challenging to justify ongoing investment in the service. Many users have noted an initial delay in seeing results from their campaigns. Reports indicate that it can take several weeks before any significant traffic or sales are generated. This lag time may deter businesses looking for immediate returns on their advertising spend, potentially leading to dissatisfaction before the service has a chance to prove its effectiveness. In conclusion, Storyas Traffic Booster offers powerful marketing tools that can significantly enhance e-commerce sales. However, potential drawbacks such as limited control, variable results, and initial delays in performance may affect user experience. Businesses should weigh these factors against the benefits to determine if it aligns with their marketing goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.